Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the tension on a discharge chute on an Ego snowblower. So over time, the more you use the chute direction control, what you'll notice is that it kind of loosens up and the discharge chute will start to float a little bit and sometimes even drift in one direction. But thankfully, Ego has put in a fix for this. So if you look in right here, you have what they call their inline cable adjusters. And you can see that they say tight and loose on them. So to tighten this, you're going to want to turn this barrel clockwise, just like this. And then on top there is a nut that will lock it into place. You're just going to turn that clockwise to lock it down. And then that will hold it in place. Then you want to do the same thing on the other barrel. Again, just turn that clockwise to tighten it up. So I'm going to put this down just as far as it goes for right now, but it's just a matter of adjusting it till you get it at the correct tension. Then again, you're going to tighten this nut down. That will lock it in place. So then to really tighten it in place, what you need is a 10mm wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench, and you'll use a 10mm on the barrel, and then you will use the 1/2 inch on this nut right here, and then you can tighten it down. You can do that on both sides. Then what you'll notice is that when you move this chute direction handle, that is really tight now. So obviously I wouldn't want it that tight. I'm just showing you the extreme of how you tighten it all the way. I would back that off until it gets to a proper tension. So that's it, pretty simple. You're just adjusting these inline cable adjusters. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.